Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SMS Tech Desk. In this section, we'll walk through how to update VMware ESXi 8.0 update to V2 update 3 using the command line method, which is particularly useful in lab environments, air-gapped setups, or when vCenter and Lifecycle Manager are not available. The goal is to provide a clear, step-by-step path for updating ESXi hosts using CLI, while also considering best practices and production support scenarios. Before we jump into the actual upgrade, here's a quick look at what we'll be covering in this video. First, we'll go over the prerequisites, what you need to have ready before starting the update. Then, I'll show you how to download the update bundle from VMware's website and how to upload it to your ESXi host. After that, we'll use command line tools to run the update in a clean and controlled way. Once the update is complete, we'll look at how to verify that everything went well. And finally, we'll talk about how to roll back to the previous version in case something doesn't go as expected. So let's get started with the first step, prerequisites. Now let's talk about what you need to have in place before you start the update. Always start safe. Take a backup of your ESXi host config before starting the update. Double-check your hardware compatibility on the VMware Compatibility Guide. Especially your CPU and storage controllers, make sure they're supported for ESXi 8.0 Update 3. Ensure you have enough space on both boot bank and alt boot bank. These are critical for staging the upgrade files and fallback images. Power off or vMotion all your virtual machines off the host while doing this activity in production support. This avoids interruption and ensures a clean update. Put the host into maintenance mode to safely apply updates and reboot if needed. Make sure SSH is enabled on the ESXi host, since we'll be running CLI commands remotely. If we're set with all prerequisites, we are ready for a smooth update. Next, let's see how to take backup of our ESXi host. Let's connect to the ESXi host using a PuTTY session and verify the current version before proceeding with the upgrade from ESXi 8.0 update to update 3. Run the following command to check the current ESXi version. VMware-v. The output confirms that the host is currently running ESXi 8.0.2, build to 3305546. Let's take a backup of the ESXi host configuration. First, execute the following command to sync the most recent configuration changes. vim-cmd host svc firmware sync_config. This ensures that all recent changes on the ESXi host are included in the backup. Next, run the following command to initiate the backup. vim-cmd host svc firmware backup_config. This command creates a backup of the ESXi configuration and stores it in the Scratch partitions download directory. A URL will be generated in the command output. Use this link to download the backup file to your local machine or jump server. Select and copy the URL, press Ctrl+C in the command line. Now, copy the backup configuration download URL and paste it into a browser. Replace the asterisk in the URL with the hostname or IP address of your ESXi host. Download the configuration file and store it securely, as it may be required for restoration in case the upgrade fails. As an alternative, the backup configuration file can be downloaded using WinSCP. By default, the backup file is stored in the Scratch partition of the ESXi host. To access it, connect the ESXi host using WinSCP. Navigate to the following path. Scratch Downloads. Locate and download the backup configuration file from this directory. This method provides an alternative way to retrieve the backup file if you're unable to use the browser-based download link. Next, execute the df-h command to check the available free space in the bootbank and alt bootbank partitions. These partitions are critical for staging the upgrade files and storing fallback images required for recovery. Next, we will check the interoperability matrix to verify compatibility for the ESXi upgrade from 8.0 update 2 to 8.0 update 3. While this step is optional for updates within the same version, it is mandatory when upgrading across major versions, for example, from ESXi 7.x to ESXi 8.x. Next, we will verify the hardware compatibility for our ESXi host. Visit the Broadcom VMware Compatibility Guide. Select System Server as the product type. Choose ESXi 8.0 Update 3 as the ESXi version. Set the partner name to Lenovo. In this scenario, we are using a Lenovo SR650 server. Select the CPU series as Intel Xeon Gold. Click View Results. This will display all servers from Lenovo that are compatible with the selected ESXi version and CPU series. Upon reviewing the list, we found that the Lenovo SR650 is included, confirming that our hardware is officially supported for the upgrade to ESXi 8.0 Update 3. Next, we motion all virtual machines running on the ESXi host to other available hosts, especially important in a production environment. Once all VMs are migrated, place the ESXi host into maintenance mode. After that, enable SSH on the host, as we will be performing the upgrade using command line utilities. Thank you for joining today's demo. If you're ready to take the next step in your VMware journey, now is the time to act. This intensive, hands-on training program is designed to build your skills from the ground up, featuring real-world scenarios, interactive labs, and interview preparation to get you ready and career confident. With 60 hours of learning, flexible timing, and an online format, you can master VMware at your own pace from anywhere. Click Enroll for this training or reach us at 93619136611 to reserve your spot. Your VMware success story starts here. Let's build it together.